Hey, what's all this? No, this is not what I asked for. Let's try this again, ladies and gentlemen. So what I have here is the Bosch MUM5 kitchen machine, as they call it, and it's basically a replacement for most of the stuff I just pushed off. In other words, a stand mixer. That you get the added benefit of being able to choose a preferred color that matches your aesthetic on top of simplifying your coloring labor experience. We got the silver and white combo, but in total there are about 10 color configurations to choose from. I also like the black one, which looks rather stealthy. The box is a little scuffed up, nothing too serious, but the first thing out the box is the transparent lid with filler hole, essentially what you use to keep from making a mess. Directly under that we have a manual. We read manuals in this household. Sometimes. Some protective foam so it doesn't die in sugar. We have the second box, inside the box section joke here, which I assume contains all the little accessories included with this, but I'll put that to the side for now and take a look at the actual unit first. It's a nice, sleek looking compact unit with nice color combination and nice angle. It has a decent 1000 watt motor, a 3.9 liter stainless steel mixing bowl. The accessories bag in the bowl neatly stores your discs, your whisks and hook. The next thing I'll have a look at is the included accessories box, which Bosch actually has a few variations of this product with a few different accessories included. So based on your region and the special you get, this may be different. So I think this is the mid-mincer attachment over here, and then this is the blender bit, 1.25 liters. Next is the top part of the mincer, essentially a meat feeder into the mixing attachment. Put meat in here, push it in, it goes in. This is a shredder attachment that works with the spinning discs. I think I get 3 of those with this particular model, one for slicing, grating and shredding. This is a stuff pusher. Actually the correct term is blender temper, and you can use that to force feed meat into your meat mincer. Also in the box is this additional plastic white mixing bowl. I'd probably have a look at why one would use a plastic mixing bowl over stainless steel. It's exactly the same size as the steel one, so go figure. So let's see what else is in here. Okay, so you also get this storage jar, which is probably what you use when chopping small quantity stuff, and you use that attached to this chopper knife here, which comes with this handy protective cover for the blades, particularly handy if you have small people in the house, just to make sure everyone's safe, and even for yourself so that you don't get cut. And that, I believe, is it for the accessories box. Now if you're wondering where the other stuff is, that's all neatly packed away in the accessories bag, so let me show you everything in here. This is the accessories bag, and in there you find a beading whisk, a dough kneading hook, stirring whisk, a grating disc medium fine, thin slicing disc, as well as a shredding disc. The discs all come together with the shredder attachment to help you get some prep done for your big meals. Here's what a fully assembled meat mixer looks like. There's not really much to it except that you can get a cookie attachment for baking, and this is what the chopper knife looks like with the safety cover off. The glass feels solid here, and the plastic blender, in terms of material, feels worlds apart. To their credit, Bosch makes a few accessories available for order, and I'll probably end up getting a few that I did not get included in my set. Also, this isn't the very latest bleeding edge top of the range model. I believe there is one with a digital scale and a timer built into the base if you're into that sort of stuff. These are the mixing bowls. Main stainless steel one and the plastic additional one that manages to sneak in somehow. I still don't understand it. They could include two stainless steel ones. And that is what everything looks like outside the box in plastic. The Bosch MUM5 creation line.